Okay, so the product details page is what we're setting up now. You should have both of these sites open up, download them, and you'll have the files in here. I'll just put them in somewhere. You'll need all the CSS files and all the images. So just copy the images over to your images folder. So they're in here. So I've copied over the one from master color box page already, but the one from the last side. Copy that over. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I've copied some over. Anyway, the other files that you're going to need are JavaScript files. So to do that, you need to do it a bit. You actually need to do it inside the project. So add existing item, then just go in the color box, paste. Okay, add the CS file for color box. Add existing item. Okay, now it's the two JSON files. You need them. And what else do you need? You need an existing one. You need the other thing. So not the color box, the elastic thing, and the JS files. You need all these. Add existing items. CSS, all those. I think there's just one more thing, maybe. You just copy them over. CSS, JS. Yeah, I think you've got everything. jQuery. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, so we've got all the files that we need. Now it should be easier. Scripts, they're in the scripts folder, which you should have had from setting up the jQuery UI thing. Right, so we're going to add another project, add another web form, and it's going to be product details. There we are. Okay. And then the first thing we're going to do is going to add some methods to the web service. Okay. Okay, so get the color box images. This will basically be finding all the images which have a certain ID passed in, and creating the HTML in this, and then basically returning it. This one will be doing pretty well the same thing. Although if it doesn't have anything, it will do the no images. I need to put in a no images thing, so right now I'll just go on and there'll be no images in there. You won't see anything, but I'll come back next tutorial and show you. But yeah, so that okay, now product details page. Now we'll just. So I think that's alright. If you've set them all up as I have, you should be fine with that. Now we need to put in a services below that, which is we've done it as we did below. We have done before, so we'll just copy this. Okay. Now we put in toolbar. We've done all this before, so we'll just quickly glance over it. So we have, where is it? Script Manager, here we are. Now, okay, and then you do that. Okay, and then beneath this, okay, so here we are. Right, so here we are. We've created a new membership service that we're going to have. I'm going to have to put one in front of because mine's different to yours, but you won't have to. And we're going to get the small box image method. And then we're going to pass this in, which is a ID that's sort of, well, it's a label with a ID on it. And then it's going to have function which will return that, which will add that. And as we did before, we'll add it to the thing, the tag HTML1, which is going to be on this. And with the small images, this needs to be, I've written here this, but if you put this outside of this, it won't work because the small image hasn't been set up yet. It's a dynamic value. So there you go. From there, it'll add this method, which basically makes a big image on it. And then, of course, this is a carousel, which was the Elastislide thing that I was showing you. Okay, so going down that, from that, beneath that, we need all this. Okay, and paste that in. Might have some. It's going to carry on about that because there is no image, but that's fine. It's how it's meant to be. This label thing is just going to have like one in it or whatever is that is going to be there. ID, and from here we're going to have. Okay, it's complaining about this. Okay, so there just needs to be a space in there. And now double click the button by, and yeah, this code to the method, and here we are now. So this is what you got rid of in the last time, which was adding it to the shopping cart. So it's pretty well the exact same code. And it's whinging about item, and the reason behind that is, I know why it is. In the page load, you need to declare the item, but the problem is that okay, so you declare product item in here. Okay, this is so that throughout the code it can be accessed. Okay, so I think with the item declared globally. Okay, so that's all you need to do. So this should work now. I'll give it a quick look. You're not going to see a thing, and because there are no images. Yeah. So that's the no image. But if you click, 3 of these, need to put a back button in there. But if you go to card, you've got 3 of them. So functionality wise, it does work, but I'll add like the image, product images should be coming up soon. Here we go. Uploading product images. So this will be the next thing, and we'll be able to upload the images. Meanwhile, I'm going to add a no image for it, and I'll show you what that does. But yeah, until next time,